FlashBot Arm is a programmable robotic arm designed for education, STEM learning, and beginners in robotics. It helps users understand the basics of robotics, motion control, automation, and coding through hands-on experimentation. It usually comes with servos or motors, multiple joints, and a gripper, with support for visual programming or languages like Python, Arduino, or block-based coding. FlashBot Arm is equipped with articulated arms with multiple degrees of freedom. It can grasp, press buttons, lift items, and perform tasks like interacting with elevators and delivering objects. It incorporates sensor suites like LiDAR, RGB-D cameras, and simultaneous localization and mapping to build maps and avoid obstacles. FlashBot Arm supports natural interaction via voice, gestures, and possibly languages driven by large language models and onboard AI. It represents a step beyond simple delivery bots by integrating manipulation and decision-making on a singular AI platform.